Today we will solve numerical problems on building of slip gauges. Okay, so we'll take one problem here. Build up a length of 35.4875 mm using M112 set. Here use two protector slips of 2.5 mm each. So today we'll solve this problem. Okay, so solution for this problem. Always to solve this type of problems you should have to take a last decimal place. So here the original length, that is original length or a dimension, is nothing but here 35.4875 mm. Okay, so here you should have to consider the original dimension. Then they told that use two protector slip gauges. So these two protector slip gauges are used to protect the slip gauges, right? So here that 2.5 mm each you should have to minus in the original dimension, that is two protector slips of 2.5 mm each, means both side they are, you are going to placing that one. So minus 5.0000, so it will become 30.4875 mm, right? So now to solve this problem you should have to consider the fourth decimal place. The fourth decimal place is 5, that is 0.0005. So here fourth decimal place, that is 0.0005. So 0.005 is not available in the M11 set, so you should have to add plus 1 mm to the fourth decimal place. So by after adding that one you should have to minus that into the original dimension. So this 1.005 mm is available or not, you should have to check in this ranges. Okay, so here 1.005 is available, that is only one quantity. So here it become 29.487 mm. So again here you should have to consider the next decimal place, that is next decimal place is third decimal place. So here the third decimal place. So third decimal place is here 0.007. So 0.007 is not available, so you should have to add 1 mm. So by adding that one it will become 1.007. so you shall have to minus that 1.007 in the 29.487. so it will become 28.48. okay, next you should have to consider the next decimal place, that is second decimal place. So second decimal place is 0.08. so 0.08 is available in the range, that is 1.08 is available in the second step. Or else you should have to consider the next decimal, that is first decimal place. First decimal place is 0.4, right? So by considering second and first decimal place becomes 0.48. so 0.48 you should have to add 1. so 1.48 is available in the second step. So by considering second and first decimal place plus 1 mm, it will become 1.48, right? So now it become 27.00, right? So next decimal point is 0 0, so leave that one. Next, the remaining is 27. So 27 is not available in any one of the step. So next list you should have to consider is 2 mm, or you should have to round off this 27 mm to 25 mm or a 20 mm. Okay, so here we will round off it to 25 mm. So 2.00 is available. So here you write it as a round off because 27 is not available. So now it become 25, right? So after this 25 you should have to check the 25 mm slip gauge is available or not. So by seeing this range, 25 mm slip gauge is available in this ranges, right? So minus that 25 mm here, and it will become 0 0 0 0. So therefore at the end you should have to write it the combination of or equal to 25.00 plus 2.00 plus 1.48 plus 1.007 plus 1.0005. So it will become 30.4875, but we require 35.4875. So before this one you should have to add another, that is 2.5 plus 25 point. So at the end plus 2.5. So it will become your original length, that is 35.4875 mm.